Today is a huge day. I got a new phone and I'm gonna unbox it. Let's unbox this brand new Samsung Galaxy Note 9. It's just a black box, nothing fancy about it. I need to get my knife. I'm back! I have my knife. A little bit dirty, but that's okay. I am very excited about this phone because it's my second non-iPhone phone that I buy brand new. Ooh, that is nice. So we have a SIM card remover here, and I'm guessing some paperwork. And the phone. Oh, a brand new blue Galaxy Note 9. That is a nice phone. Nice looking phone. And the S Pen. I'm super excited. So the reason I went with Android, honestly I like Samsung Pay, so not even Android, but Samsung specifically, because today, for example, today's a bad example actually, I went to get a haircut and they do not have tap. However, I did not have a card set up on my Galaxy S8 that's compatible with the magnetic strip. So thankfully I offered to pay first, and when I couldn't do that, I said, okay, you know what, I'll come back when I have money. But they were nice enough. They offered for me to e-transfer some money, so I did that right away, and they cut my hair. Look at that. Very fingerprinty, but I'm okay with that. We have, ooh, I like this. I forgot about this. It's USB type C to, is that type A? I'm not sure. Normal or regular USB right there. So you can plug in some accessories. I heard of people plugging in a mouse or keyboard and it works. Might want to check that out. Don't quote me on it. Another brick. I already have one. I'm likely going to either give away my S8 Plus or sell it. But you know, if I get 100 subscribers before the 1st of March, I'll do a giveaway. So there's your challenge. Tell your friends to subscribe, and if I reach 100 subscribers before March 1st, I will do a giveaway. Earbuds. I hear they're not actual AKGs, but they're endorsed or approved or whatever. I'm not going to open that. That'll help the resale value, or if I do a giveaway. I'm not sure what these things are. I'll have to look into that. This is some kind of a metal clip. If you know what it is, please leave it in the comments. There is some plastic up around the top. Ooh. Ah. And some plastic around the bottom. Oh, and the sides. Man, this thing's wrapped up really well. It is winter, so I do have dry fingers. And I really don't like this thing here. Nor do I like this. It says Qualcomm. I do not want that. Oh, this is so sticky. Why is it so sticky? Alright, you don't need to see this. Bye.